I always had the desire that I wanted to get back into TV but didn't know how to or get in with. Hey, good evening, everyone. It's wonderful to have all of you all here today. And if I may just add to what Gaurav has already said, that, 2 years ago, I was kind of oscillating between two themes which I was developing. One was about the girl child, about women empowerment, about girl rights. And the other theme was about a sport which is not talked about so much, and it's not a very popular sport when actually it has a great following, and that's mountaineering. And when I was developing both these scripts, I was not getting anywhere in terms of taking the theme and the idea to its fruition. And that's when a eureka moment happened, when I realized that why not combine the two themes into one? Why not bring in the issue of the girl child, the theme of the girl child, and merge it with mountaineering? And that's when this entire idea of how Anjali Singh Rawat wants to win her father's love for her, and how she goes about achieving it by fulfilling his unfulfilled dream. So when this eureka moment happened, I realized that there are so many different characters in this, and there are so many different motives that come into play within the story narration, that it was going to be difficult to encompass this big story into a film. And regardless of in my film, I mean, the length of movies that I have, it couldn't have fit even in that. And I thought that why not try television? Because I'm a product of television, I can say, because my first television show as an actor was Kachi Dhoop for Doordarshan, which was made by Mr. Amol Palekar. And that was my first dabbling in television, and I kind of liked it. I discovered it. I did a lot of stints, different series as an actor. But then, once I became a director, I lost touch. And I always had the desire that I wanted to get back into TV, but didn't know how to or get in with a theme that's close to my heart. And Everest somehow became that theme, which I felt the urge to tell this story through the format of television, which I think is an extremely powerful medium. And I had only discovered it as an actor. By producing it now and writing for it, it is helping me discover it. I took on two very established directors called Glenn Barreto and Ankush Mola, who have directed the show. And one of the key things that we started thinking was, how do we cast this show? Because shall we cast mountaineers who can act, or shall we cast actors and teach them mountaineering? And we realized that the better thing to do is cast actors, cast good actors, and make sure that they learn mountaineering. And so the search for the right actor to play Anjali Singh Rawat, after several auditions, which were held by our casting director Nalini Ratnam, we finally arrived upon Shamata Anchan and the entire cast members with that, and a support cast of very, very fabulous performers who came in for the entire support cast. And today it gives me great pleasure that we are standing here and we're going to introduce now the cast to you first time. And my first happiness moment was 3rd November. It gives me happiness, and also instills a lot of fear in me that now the time is ticking, and we look forward to 3rd November and its release. So for now, I think let's introduce the cast.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, and wish you all the very best for the inspiring and gripping TV show. Wish you all the best. Thank you. 10 p.m. onwards.
जब किसी से भी कहते हैं कि आपके सामने अगर कोई काम है और कोई बहुत बड़ा काम है, तो हम कहते हैं कि भाई ये तो हिमालयन टास्क है, ये अगर काम आपका पूरा होता है तो मान लो कि आपने एवरेस्ट शिखर पा लिया. तो उस मेटाफर को हमने मद्देनजर रखा हुआ है, जिसमें हम हर एक में एक ख्वाहिश होती है, एक इच्छा होती है कि हम एक ऐसा काम कर जाएं, वो अगर हम पार करें तो वो हमारा एवरेस्ट है. So that as a metaphor becomes very important for the entire narration of this show, and hence Everest. आप सही कह रही है, कंचनजंगा भी हो सकता था और ये शायद अन्नपूर्णा भी हो सकता था, बट उसमें इतना महत्व नहीं है जितना एवरेस्ट माउंटेन को दिया जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई एवरेस्ट. कहानी के बारे में तो मैं कहूंगा कि मैं चाहूंगा कि आप देखें और उसको आप डिस्कवर करें कि कहानी किस तरह से डेवलप होती है. मुश्किलें बहुत आई थी इसको शूट करने में, क्योंकि हमें उन सब पहाड़ों पर जाना पड़ा जहां पे हमें बर्फ मिल सके, जहां पे हमें एवरेस्ट का एहसास हो. तो हमने काफी सारी लोकेशंस पे शूटिंग की है. उत्तराखंड में की है, उत्तरकाशी में की है, डोकरानी ग्लेशियर पे की है, नेपाल पे एवरेस्ट बेस कैंप पे जाके की है. So we have tried to capture Everest in all its might and glory.
Mr. Gowarikar, you are one of the stalwart filmmaker from the industry who has already taken industry to the heights of Everest with your projects like Lagan and all that. So, which is the acting what prompted you to just come back with this show on the small screen?
Well, I have been an ardent fan of television, and I have always tried to capture tried to see as many shows as possible, be it in India or even the very popular shows abroad. It's also something to do with my stint as an actor, because I enjoyed the storytelling that television gives you. It is a very challenging medium because you need to keep the audience engaged week after week. In our case, it will be day after day. We need to have a hook in every episode so that the audience comes back a second time. These challenges are very different from what you see in cinema, because in cinema it's you are hoping that audiences don't leave your film in the intermission, and you're hoping that they come back. So I think the challenges are very parallel, and with this, the girl child theme and mountaineering as a sport, I thought that the format for television lends itself very well to the narration. And hence I thought about making this as a show. And I'm very fortunate to have a collaboration with Star Plus, because I've always believed that Star Plus has always attempted very daringly different forms, including Saas Bahu. I mean, if they innovated and if they have come up with a kind of, I can call it a genre now. I think Saas Bahu is a genre. If they could come up with that, if they could come up with Satyameva Jayate, which are very, very path-breaking shows, I thought that if my collaboration with Star is on this show, it will do a lot of justice to my entire cast and crew in terms of getting its due credit while making it. So hence, Everest for Star Plus.
Hi Ashutosh, this is Rafsa कि आमिर ने आपको बार-बार मना किया, प्रोड्यूसर नहीं मिल रहा था, बार-बार आपको कहानी लिखनी पड़ी, चेंजेस करने पड़े और बार-बार सुनानी पड़ी, तब कहीं जाकर वो एक हिस्टोरिकल मतलब फिल्म बना पाए जो बहुत हिट रही. तो ये एवरेज जब आप कंसेप्चुअलाइज कर रहे थे, और आपको कितनी बार मतलब कितना एफर्ट लेना पड़ा समझाने के लिए चैनल को, या कितने धक्के खाने पड़े, कितने चेंजेस करने पड़े इसमें, और दूसरा सवाल ये कि कभी आपको ऐसा लगा कि यार मैंने लिख तो दी, कहानी बना तो ली है, लेकिन मुझसे हो नहीं पाएगा, या कोई एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा इस कहानी को?
कहानी जब लिख रहा था मैं, तब ये हमेशा ख्याल आता था कि कैसे इसको लिखेंगे और कौन इसको कोलैबोरेट करना चाहेगा. ये सवाल हमेशा मेरे माइंड में था. एक बार लिखने के बाद जब पूरा रेडी हो गया, तो मेरी एक मीटिंग हुई गौरव के साथ, एंड उसमें मैंने सिर्फ 2-3 लाइन में ही, आई थिंक सिनॉप्टिक ऐसे एक नरेशन किया गौरव को, एंड गौरव सेड यस टू इट ऑन द स्पॉट राइट अवे. ही सेड दैट ये बनाते हैं, without knowing the details, without knowing the entire, but he backed it right at the idea level. So I think sometimes you also get lucky, and I got lucky that he accepted it. Making Everest for me, I often, with the entire team, we always say this, that making this show has been our Everest. There's not been a day when we have been faced with weather changes, climatic problems, all kinds of, shooting in -6 degrees, shooting in tents, living on, sleeping on cots which are directly on the ice. I mean, we have gone through really, really very major hardships. And yes, every day we would feel, how are we going to actually finish making this? But thankfully, we have reached here. We have finished a major portion. We have just 2-3 weeks now left of shoot. And now begins our new Everest, which is you guys. How you see it, how you perceive it, do you like it? How does the audience actually go out and see a show which is thematically slightly different? Because we do want the audiences to identify with Anjali Singh Rawat, and with each and every character that you see here standing on stage, each one is trying to conquer their own Everest. So these are the multiple metaphorical themes that we are seeing in the show, and we are really hoping that audiences like them.
अभी तक का आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा उनके साथ काम करके?
पहले तो ये मेरा पहला एक्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट है, तो जब मुझे कहा गया कि ऑडिशन देना है एवरेस्ट के लिए और आशुतोष गुवारिकर का स्टोरी है, तो विदाउट थिंकिंग ट्वाइस आई जस्ट वेंट एंड आई गिव द ऑडिशन. ऑब्वियसली आशुतोष गुवारिकर सच अ बिग डायरेक्टर, और अगर उन्होंने मुझ में कुछ देखा है तो there must be something, and because of him now I am so confident about myself. Before this मैंने कुछ एक्टिंग what do you say क्लासेस भी नहीं लिया था, तो वैसे कुछ भी नहीं मालूम था मुझे, लेकिन एवरेस्ट के साथ और अंजलि के साथ I have also grown as a human being and I am climbing my Everest still.
इसमें एक ही चीज मैं ऐड करूंगा कि इसमें सिर्फ मेरा ही नहीं, ग्लेन अंकुश जो दोनों डायरेक्टर्स हैं, हम तीनों ने, उनका भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हिस्सा है इसमें, इन टर्म्स ऑफ डूइंग द रीडिंग सेशंस of all the scenes with the 3 actors. That became very, very important for their performances.